India was ranked 134 overall, Professor Majumdar, in 2014. Now in 20, we have come to 71 rank. We have jumped more than 63 numbers. In the ease of doing business for dedicated commercial courts, we have also gone very high. Then in enforcing contract is also a parameter. India in 2014 was 186. Now it is 163. There is scope for improvement. But what is important is we need to understand that access to justice is a part of good governance. And that policymakers will have to understand, law faculties will have to understand, law graduates will have to understand, administrators of law will have to understand, and with respect, judges will also have to understand that access to justice, faster justice, particularly in the criminal, is a part of good governance. And now India is treated with great respect globally. Therefore, access to justice, I am not going to give some time or more time on how we are developing India as a center of arbitration globally. We have set up we have changed the law whereby we are going to encourage institutional arbitration in India. India has become how to grade the institutional arbitrations by a proper arbitration council. We're going to set up in Delhi a big global level New Delhi arbitration center. All these things we are doing and we propose to do.